The secret rule. One evening, Musa said something strange. If I get sick, he said slowly, my side chick must help take care of me too. Everyone at the table became quiet. Amina stopped eating. She looked at him. What did you just say? She asked. Musa smiled like it was a joke, but it was not a joke. And that was the beginning of a big problem. Amina's confusion. Amina and Musa had been together for 5 years. They lived in a small apartment in Fort Worth. They worked hard. They paid bills together. They shared food and dreams. Amina believed Musa loved her, but now she felt confused. What is a side chick doing in your life? Amina asked. Musa did not answer quickly. He looked at his phone. Amina, calm down, he said. It's not serious. Not serious? Amina repeated. You have another woman and it's not serious? Musa sighed. It's just someone I talk to. Nothing big. But Amina knew it was something big. The truth comes out. The next day, Amina could not focus at work. Her mind was full of questions. After work, she went home early. When she opened the door, she heard a voice inside. A woman's voice. Amina walked slowly into the living room. There, she saw Musa sitting close to another woman. They were laughing. The woman turned and saw Amina. Silence filled the room. Musa, Amina said quietly. Who is she? Musa stood up. This is Zainab, he said. Zainab smiled, but it was a nervous smile. Amina felt her heart beating fast. This is your not serious? Amina asked. No one spoke. Zainab speaks. Zainab took a step forward. I didn't know about you, she said to Amina. Musa looked surprised. What do you mean? He asked. You told me you were single, Zainab said. Now Musa looked nervous. Amina crossed her arms. So you lied to both of us, she said. Musa tried to explain. It's complicated, he said. No, Amina replied. It's simple. You are dishonest. Zainab nodded. I don't want to be part of this, she said. But before she could leave, Musa said something shocking. Wait, he said. We can fix this. Both women looked at him. The shocking idea. Musa took a deep breath. I care about both of you, he said. Amina shook her head. This is not love, she said. But Musa continued. If I get sick, he said again, both of you can help take care of me. Zainab looked confused. Are you serious? She asked. Musa nodded. We can share responsibilities, he said. It can work. Amina could not believe what she was hearing. Are you a child? She asked, and do you need two mothers? Zainab almost laughed, but she stopped herself. This is not normal, she said. A lesson begins. Amina walked to the door and opened it. Musa, she said, you need to learn something today. Musa looked worried. What? He asked. Respect, Amina said. She turned to Zainab. You deserve respect too, she said. Zainab nodded slowly. Amina continued. A real relationship is honest. It is not shared like this without agreement. Musa sat down. He looked small now. I didn't want to lose anyone, he said. But now, Amina replied, you may lose both. Musa gets sick. A few days later, something unexpected happened. Musa got very sick. He had a high fever. He felt weak. He could not go to work. He stayed in bed all day. He looked at his phone. No messages from Amina. No messages from Zainab. He remembered his own words. If I get sick, my side chick must help take care of me too. Now he was sick, but no one came. A hard realization. Musa tried to stand up, but he felt dizzy. He went to the kitchen slowly. There was no food ready. No one to bring him water. No one to check on him. He sat down on the floor. For the first time, he understood. Care is not something you demand. Care is something you earn. A visit. Later that evening, there was a knock on the door. Musa stood up slowly and opened it. It was Amina. She looked calm. Are you okay? She asked. Musa nodded weakly. I'm sorry, he said. Amina walked inside and looked around. You look terrible, she said. Musa tried to smile. I guess I need someone to take care of me, he said. Amina looked at him seriously. One person who truly cares is enough, she said. She gave him medicine. She made him soup. But her face was still serious. The final decision. The next morning, Musa felt a little better. Amina was ready to leave. Musa, she said, I came because I care, but this does not change everything. Musa nodded. I understand, he said. You need to choose what kind of man you want to be, she said, and you need to accept the result. Musa looked down. I choose honesty, he said. Amina paused. That is a good start, she replied. Remember what Musa said at the beginning? If I get sick, my side chick must help take care of me too. In the end, when he got sick, no side chick came. Only truth came, and truth showed him that real care cannot be shared without honesty, respect, and trust. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English with simple, powerful stories, subscribe to our channel English Through African Stories. Join our WhatsApp group too. The link is in the bio and description. Vocabulary list. Side chick. A secret romantic partner outside a main relationship. Honest, telling the truth. Respect, treating others in a good and fair way. Care, to look after someone and help them. Confused, not understanding something clearly. Responsibility, a duty or something you must do. Realization, when you finally understand something important.